It's been renamed in honor of Aretha Franklin, the music star who spent most of her life living in Detroit. This is a 2,000-seat amphitheater on the water in Detroit. All of 2,000 seats face the stage on Detroit River. The amphitheater regularly has scheduled concerts throughout the summer, which include music such as jazz, classic soul, and rhythm and blues.
Detroit, city of Detroit, the former home of Ford Motors, General Motors, Chrysler Motors, and Chevrolet. But not the first at the Canadian border, the Ford original manufacturer.